Sibin sir, for joining us for Decode, where we are bringing in experts to answer some of the very basic yet important questions that startups often have. As you are currently the state startup nodal officer, Startup Punjab, wanted to have the first question start you out by at least telling us what Startup Punjab is, why was that created?
Yeah, thank you. Basically, this startup cell has been started in the Industries and Commerce Department based on Industrial Business and Development Policy, which offers very attractive incentive to the industrialists setting up industries in the state. And this Industrial Business and Development Policy also offers very attractive incentive for the startup also, and also for creating an ecosystem of startup in the state. So the startup cell has been created in the Industries and Commerce Department, and we are registering the various startup in the cell. And thereafter, we are handholding the startup to get various incentive, then further further to expand their business and all. We are conducting various programs. Our state government budget also offers various program for the awareness creation, as well as like hackathon, ideathon, and all these programs we are sponsoring from here. We had enlisted certain nodal agencies for our startup cell. So whoever wants to basically register with our startup cell, they can do it through online portal. And after that, we will be basically referring to the nodal agency. Then nodal agency with the recommendation sent to the startup coordination cell, and we get it registered here. So after that, we'll basically providing various incentive based on the performance of the various startup.
Okay. Yeah. So can you actually tell us a little bit about these enabling policies that are currently in place, for the startups? Some of the questions that typically do come up is there funding? Is there any other support, available for startups? So if you can just share those with us, please.
Yeah, so for the startup in the Industrial Business and Development Policy, there are various incentives. One of the incentive is seed money. Second is lease rental subsidy. Third is the interest subsidy. And apart from that, the startup are also eligible for all the fiscal incentive which is available to the MSMEs. And this is the same case with the incubators also. There are incentive for the incubators also. And apart from that, we are basically sponsoring various startup to participate in national level functions, and budget provision is made for that also. So these are the various fiscal incentive available to it. For the time being, we had started giving the fiscal incentive also. We had already given fiscal incentive to 4 startups, which is already registered with us. So these are some of the fiscal incentive policy which is available to us.
Got it. And so to register with Startup Punjab, what is it that startups need to do, and are these incentives only available for the startups that register with Startup Punjab, or anyone can come and avail these incentives from the government?
No, they have to basically start register with us in the startup cell, but the process is very simple. There is an online single window portal which is called Investment Punjab Business First Portal. So they can apply through that portal. So as I already explained, the application form will be referred to a nodal agency. So they, with the recommendations sent to us, and the startup will be presenting their idea before the startup coordination committee. Then we will simply register it. Then afterwards, we will process it for the whatever the fiscal incentive available later stage when they apply for the fiscal incentive. So the process is very simple, but of course the people who registered with us are only will get the incentive whatever the policy offers.
Got it. No, and the fiscal incentives seem, very attractive for the startups to come and register then. Sir, can you give us an example, maybe, of a startup that has recently received, support from Startup Punjab? be it either on the tax side or on the seed funding side?
Yeah. So we have recently sanctioned the seed money for 4 startups, which is registered with us. So these 4 startups are basically GrainPad Private Limited. Second is YJAX Science Private Limited, Earth Naturals, and Black Eye Technology. All these are basically one. GrainPad is basically dealing with artificial intelligence driven medical diagnostic chatbot, and YJAX is basically organic plant-based product. And Earth Natural is again organic food, and Black Eye Technology is they have developed an IoT device, so which is mainly for agriculture, that is controlling of irrigation. So these are the 4 startup which has recently received the fiscal incentive from the state startup cell. Apart from that, there are many famous startup which is already registered with us, like you can say Agnes or some Move Farms, Tax Security, and Play, Mart, Jugnu, etc. So all this had got international recognition also.
That's right. Absolutely. Great. Thank you for sharing that, sir. Wanted to also understand, are there any specific sectors right now that are getting, a thrust from the government? And are there any specific incentives that are being thought through for these sectors? Because as startups often begin to see what problem they should be solving, this is an important consideration for them as well.
As far as a startup is concerned, there are no specific sectors we will be giving, stress upon. But in the IBDB, we have thrust sectors, which is, there are 9 to 10 thrust sectors which the government want to give importance as far as investment is concerned. So these thrust sectors will be basically getting the additional incentive apart from the normal incentive which is available. So whatever the particular sectors which this Punjab state government thought was having a particular ecosystem in the state, and that can be a potential that is having the potential to expand. So that kind of sectors we have identified and is mentioned as thrust sectors in the industrial business and development policy.
Okay, great. And so then one last question, I guess, from our end would be, have there been any recent initiatives that Startup Punjab has taken for the development of the entrepreneurial ecosystem within the state?
Yeah, we had came up with various policy initiative. One of the important policy initiative was regarding the procurement. As far as startup is concerned, in the government procurement, we had given a special preference to the startup, in which there is this turnover and investment criteria has been waived off as far as procurement from the startup is concerned. Second is student entrepreneurship promotion scheme, in which there is a 40% attendance relaxation is given, and 20% attendance relaxation is given, and 4% additional grace mark is given. And other was we had recently, as everyone knows, the CM Punjab has recently inaugurated Punjab Innovation Mission, which is basically a government private partnership entity. So in which there is a provision of innovation fund also. So these are some of the initiatives which we had already policy changes we had already undertaken. And apart from that, of course, there are normal routine programs of creating awareness in association with various education institutions that is already going on. And the last one, but the least is basically we had done we are also reimbursing the state component of the company registration fee that is for especially for the startups. So these are some of the policy changes we have done recently, and we are looking forward to create a favorable ecosystem in the stage.
Absolutely. No, so I think thank you so much for that, because I think the kind of initiatives that you've just mentioned with regards to student entrepreneurship in colleges, or with regards to government procurement, will go a long way in supporting startups. So thank you so much for sharing these, sir. And I'm sure together we'll definitely be building a great ecosystem in Punjab. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you so much.